Can we add MP3 audio to TikTok in 2025? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be answering the big question, that is, can we add MP3 audio to TikTok? So now without further ado, let's get started. So here to tell you upfront, the answer is no, not anymore. TikTok have removed the option to import MP3 files straight into the app, but here is how you can still use your MP3 in TikTok videos. So to do that, you simply have to download any of the editing tools like CapCut, InShots or VN. So here for this video, I'll be using the CapCut. So here just open the CapCut app, and now here once you are inside the CapCut, simply tap on the new project and import any video that you want to edit and add your personal audio to. And now here once you have opened the project, simply tap on the audio tab at the bottom, and there you simply have to tap on sounds. And now here on the new page, simply tap on the file icon which can be seen in the middle of the screen, and now here you simply have to tap on the option labeled as extract audio from the video. So here simply choose the one that you like, or even if you want to extract the audio, you can simply extract the MP3 audio as well. And now here once you have extracted the audio, you simply have to edit the video as you want, and once you're done editing the video, you can just tap on export button and it will be exported to the video that you want. And now here once your video has been exported, you can directly post it to your TikTok videos, or you can simply go through the gallery and check the final shot, and after that you can simply upload that video to your TikTok account. And that's it. That's how you can export an MP3 audio to the TikTok video. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.